How to spot a fake friend. You share a meal at the outdoor table outside the library. She asks you how to solve a homework problem and you helped her. But you never saw her studying. You suggest doing it together because building each other up will make studying efficient. But she said she's better off studying alone. She brings you to parties, helps you choose your outfits, makes your hair look presentable, spends hours on your makeup. But when it's time for you to get an interview, she can't make it. And you're there preparing alone. You can't even reach her on the phone. She tells you all the gossip about other girls. Warn you not to get closer to them because they are dangerous. But when you ask her what kind of dangerous, she'll say she knows things that you don't know and doesn't want to say it out loud. And you trust her, only to find out she was the bridesmaid at other girl's wedding. You tell her all your study plans, some internships and scholarships that you both can apply to, and she smiles and shows you she applied to all of them 4 months ago. You agree to share a ride, to lower the expenses for your museum visit. But she calls you on the scheduled day. She's already arrived the day before. Her dad's friends gave her a free ride, and she did not have time to call you. Girl, wake up. What kind of nonsense is this?